In this video, I'm going to show you 3 best ways to make money online in 2024. Why 2024, you may ask? Well, because the world is changing fast and so are the opportunities to earn online. According to a Reuters report, US new business application hit to year high in June 2023. Every day, more people want to know how they can make money online for free without investing a lot of money or time. So if you are one of them, you are in the right place. In this video, I will share with you 3 proven ways to make money online in 2024 that anyone can do with little or no experience. These are not some get rich quick schemes but real and legitimate ways to earn online that have worked for me and many others. Are you ready? Let's get started. The first way to make money online in 2024 is to start a dropshipping business. Dropshipping is a business model where you sell a product to a customer but the supplier handles the storage, packaging and shipping on your behalf. You don't need to buy any inventory or deal with any logistics. You just need to create an online store, find a product to sell and market it to your target audience. Dropshipping is one of the easiest and most profitable ways to make money online because you can sell anything from clothing to electronics to pet supplies and more. You can also sell products from different niches and test different markets without risking any money. You only pay for the products that you sell and you keep the difference between the price you charge and the price you pay to the supplier. How do you start a dropshipping business? Well, you need 2 things: a platform to create your online store and a source of products to sell. The best platform to use is Shopify, which is the most popular and user-friendly e-commerce platform in the world. With Shopify, you can create a beautiful and professional online store in minutes without any coding or design skills. You can also use Shopify's dropshipping apps like Uberlo to find and import products from thousands of suppliers across various product categories. To start a dropshipping business with Shopify, you just need to follow these simple steps. Sign up for a free 14-day trial with Shopify. Choose a name and a theme for your online store. Install a dropshipping app like Uberlo and browse through the products you want to sell. Add the products to your store and edit the product titles, descriptions and images to make them appealing and unique. Set up your payment methods, shipping rates and taxes. Launch your online store and start promoting it to your potential customer. That's it, you are now ready to make money online with dropshipping. You can use various marketing strategies to drive traffic and sales to your store, such as running Facebook ads, having influencers promote your products, or sending direct messages to potential customers on social media. The second way to make money online in 2024 is to try print on demand. Print on demand is similar to dropshipping, but instead of selling existing products, you sell your own custom designs on products like t-shirts, mugs, posters and more. You don't need to buy any inventory or handle any printing or shipping. You just need to create your designs, upload them to a POD platform and sell them to your customers. Print on demand is a great way to make money online because you can unleash your creativity and express your personality. You can also create designs for different niches, audiences and occasions and cater to different tastes and preferences. You can also sell your designs on multiple platforms such as your own online store or marketplaces like Amazon, Etsy or Redbubble. How do you start a print on demand business? Well, you need 2 things: a platform to create and sell your designs and a source of products to print them on. The best platform to use is Printful, which is the most popular and reliable POD platform in the world. With Printful, you can create and sell over 250 products from clothing to accessories, home decor and more. You can also use Printful's mockup generator to create realistic and professional product images without any photography skills. To start a print on demand business with Printful, you just need to follow these simple steps. Sign up for a free account with Printful. Choose a product you want to sell and upload your design to it. Adjust the design size, position and color and preview how it looks on the product. Set up your pricing, profit margin and product variants. Sync your products with your online store or marketplace and publish it to your customers. Repeat the process for as many products and designs as you want. That's it, you are now ready to make money online with print on demand. You can use various marketing strategies to drive traffic and sales to your products, such as creating a blog, a YouTube channel or an Instagram page to showcase your designs and build a loyal fan base. The third way to make money online in 2024 is to make money with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a business model where you promote other people's product or services and earn a commission for every sale or action that you generate. You don't need to create any product or handle any customer service. You just need to find a product or service that you like and trust and share it with your audience. Affiliate marketing is one of the most lucrative and passive ways to make money online because you can earn money while you sleep without doing any work. You can also promote products or services from different niches and choose the ones that suit your interest and expertise. You can also promote products or services from different platforms such as Amazon, ClickBank, or Share a Sale. How do you start affiliate marketing? Well, you need three things: a platform to promote your affiliate products or services, a source of affiliate products or services to promote, and a way to attract and convert your audience. So the best platform to use is a blog, which is a website where you write and publish content on a specific topic. With the blog, you can establish yourself as an authority and a trusted source of information and build a loyal and engaged audience. To start a blog, you just need to follow these simple steps. Choose a niche and a name for your blog. Register a domain name and a web hosting service for your blog. Write and publish high quality and valuable content on your blog. Add your affiliate links to your content and invite your audience to click on them and buy the product or services that you recommend. That's it. You are now ready to make money online with affiliate marketing. You can use various marketing strategies to drive traffic and sales to your blog, such as optimizing your content for search engines, sharing your content on social media, or building an email list to communicate with your audience and send them offers and promotions. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Let me know which of these 5 ways to make money online in 2024 you are going to try. Or if you have any question or suggestion for me, I would love to hear from you. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. I post new videos every week on how to make money online and how to live your best life. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.